welcome to the musical version of Mooncake Juju Shower Steamers. Today I'm going to read you one of the fables from the Mooncake Festival. Long, long ago, there were 10 suns in the sky. The suns burned all the plants and people were dying on earth, until one day, excellent archer Hou Yi used his bow and arrows to shoot down 9 of the suns. Earth was saved and the people flocked to learn archery from Hou Yi. The Western Queen Mother gave Hou Yi a bottle of elixir that could make one person immortal. Although Hou Yi did want to become immortal, he wanted to stay with his wife Chang'E more. Therefore, he just kept it at home. Pang Meng, one of his students, tried to seize the elixir when Hou Yi wasn't at home. Faced with greedy Pang Meng, Chang'E decided to drink the elixir. It made her fly to the moon where she would stay forever. To remember her and pray to her, Hou Yi and others started to worship the moon with many offerings. Chang'e's image usually appears on Mid-Autumn Festival pictures. Children in China are told that Chang'e is still living on the moon, and on the night of the Mid-Autumn Festival, when the moon is bright, children try their best to find the shape of Chang'e on the moon. Not unlike us trying to find the man on the moon ourselves here in North America. I hope you enjoyed this little fable, and I have a couple more to share with you. Please click like and subscribe and join us back here again next time at the Jen Spice channel. Bye for now.